Hi my curly headed queens. Today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this look using Urban Hydration's Jamaican Castor Oil Curl Cream. It leaves your hair moist, bouncy, and curly all day long.
So we're going to do the curl tutorial. So this is the Jamaican Castor Oil Curl Cream, avocado oil, and argan oil. It's got ginger, it's got shea butter, it's got coconut.
And I'm just going to take a little bit of water, just like a small cup of water next to me, just so I can moisten the hair so I'm not wasting too much product. This one savor of product because it's almost done. So I went a little bit off camera and I just wet the rest of the hair. Now it's fully damped all the way across. So you want to start with damped hair.
Okay, next